Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu salamu rasulullah, assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Catherine Jones, business performance coach for Muslim women experts and professionals who are helping Muslim women in one way or another. So I help you launch your legacy online so it brings your life's work online to serve the ummah, reap the rewards in this life and the next. Does this sound like you? You're a Muslim woman with a passion to make your life's work reach more sisters and have a lasting impact on the ummah. And you've been teaching or working with clients for years or even decades perhaps, and you're ready to grow. You know it's time to serve bigger, help more sisters, awaken in consciousness, but you're limited by your current business model. You want to bring your life's work online to reach more people and finally leverage your time, but technology and marketing just overwhelms you. You've launched some digital programs in the past, or maybe you haven't, but if you have, they weren't as successful as you'd hoped they'd be. You've got tons of content, like you know your stuff, new ideas every 5 minutes, so you need help deciding what to focus on and how to prioritize what you launch first. Are you ready to grow your business, income, and impact in a way that feels truly sustainable? Imagine an ummah filled with happy, confident, courageous, passionate Muslim women, raising the next generation, contributing to those around, and living a life they love. And you are a part of making it possible. You watched before your eyes as your Muslim sisters from across the globe shed their doubts, fears, and worries and stepped up and became powerful members of their community. And it was working with you that made that difference in their life. Yes, it is possible. You can be part of the solution. It's about moving out of your comfort zone for the sake of Allah. You can launch your legacy so you can serve bigger, reach more people, change more lives. Get inspired, make your work for Allah and reap the rewards in the akhirah. Have more freedom, leverage your time and increase your income. In the past few years, I've helped many Muslim sisters take their experience, passion and expertise and turn it into their life's purpose for Allah's sake. Estella says, what I've learned from Catherine Jones in regards to sales and sharing my work with the potential client is pure gold. Khadija says, the personal and business benefits gained from business coaching with Catherine have been invaluable and helped me establish an online coaching business in less than 6 months. Jihan says, as a result of her coaching, I now have a substantial email list of prospective clients and a thriving Facebook group to market my products and services to while providing them with tremendous value. And Andrea says, the course provides clarity, it's professional, broken down into very manageable tasks. She provides ongoing support and most importantly, we're taught what works. So now it's your turn. You can launch your legacy. Over 6 months, you can grow your online audience, your email list, social followers really quickly. Get your work out to those who need it most anywhere in the world. Master the art of human marketing, which is simple to implement, and know exactly what to focus on by using a step-by-step strategy proven to work in the Muslim niche. You'll discover what actually works and what doesn't when it comes to sharing your work online, so you can skip the headaches and stay focused on what you do best, being of service. Are you ready to transform more lives than ever before? Launch your legacy, sisters. Get online now. You're going to take your amazingness offline and bring it online and serve the ummah. Earn plenty of reward from Allah as you launch your legacy, inshallah.